Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa tayo ng daily reading for Pisces para sa araw na ito, okay? Alamin natin kung ano mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces gamit ang ating tarot cards and ang ating The Keeper, the fortune telling card, okay? So, reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces, so pwede pong mag-resonate, pwede pong hindi, okay? And ang ating daily reading ay always pong timeless. So, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood. Basta mag-resonate po, take lang. Okay? Shuffle muna natin. Then, itong ating The Keeper. And also pala Pisces na ang mga energies na lalabas dito, ma-feminine or masculine ay pwede po sa lahat. Babae, lalaki, LGBT man. Okay? And again, basta mag-resonate po, take lang. Pag hindi po mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit po. Okay, so ano po ang message niyo po for Pisces para sa araw na ito? Mga gabay, mensahe for Pisces para sa araw na ito. Mature man. Okay, so pwede you're dealing with someone na older sa'yo or ikaw to Pisces, okay? So, pwedeng itong taong to is more on logic, more on, kumbaga, intellectual, practical, pwede. Okay? Or pwedeng itong taong to is pwedeng merong profession na, kumbaga, lawyer or teacher, ano pa ba? Yung mga merong connection sa, kumbaga, intellect, okay? More on mga matatalino, ganun, okay? Pero kung hindi naman na parang iba naman yung nila, parang trabaho, this person is more on mature, pwede din, okay? Especially, meron tayo ditong word na mature man, okay? So, this person is older than you, have a lot of experience in life, okay? And kumbaga, itong taong to, nararamdaman ko yung gentleness niya. Okay, so, this person is matured emotionally and physically, intellectually matured, okay, mentally matured. And also, this person pwedeng nakatira, medyo distance sa'yo kasi meron tayo ditong globe. Okay, or pwedeng ikaw to Pisces. This person may be older than you. And pwede, pwedeng karelasyon mo to Pisces and meron siyang dalang great fortune. Okay, dalawa pala to, okay? Ooh, wow! Great fortune and expectation. Wow. So, you have to expect something regarding with this person na change. Bottom of the deck is change. Okay, so merong something, pwedeng merong traveling kasi nakikita niya parang merong naghahakot, naglilipat ng bahay. Okay, so pwedeng itong taong to is pwedeng relocate, okay? Bigla ko na yung word na relocation. So, pwedeng merong magre-relocate. Pwedeng itong taong to is gusto kanya makasama, lalo na't meron tayo ditong the lovers. Pwedeng ito ay karelasyon mo, Pisces. And again, this person is matured, gentle. Sinabi ko kanina, ramdam ko yung gentle ng taong to. He or she may be gentle towards you, okay? Ramdam mo yung care niya sa'yo, ramdam mo yung, alam mo yun, parang naiintindihan ka niya, andun yung emotionally and kumbaga mentally matured regarding with this person. And yung relationship niyo Pisces is sobrang sobrang gaan, healthy relationship kumbaga, okay? Kaya ako nasabing relationship kasi meron tayo dito mismong the lovers. Lovers, okay, mahal, pagmamahal, soulmate, okay? So, nakikita niya meron tayo ditong dalawang dove, merong dalawang statue, okay? So, this person may, or pwedeng ikaw to, may be you're in a relationship with this person or pwedeng makikilala mo itong taong to. Okay, it's either kilala mo na to, karelasyon mo na to ngayon, ramdam ko karelasyon mo na to ngayon, or kung single ka naman Pisces, pwedeng meron ka matatagpo ang mature man, wala tayong gender specific, okay? Medyo mas matanda sa'yo, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw yung mas matanda, pero feel ko mas matanda to sa'yo eh, okay? So, there's a age difference between the both of you, and this person is ramdam mo yung ano niya sa'yo. Pagmamahal, gentleness, as I said kanina, cares niya sa'yo. Ramdam mo yung gaan sa relasyon na ito, okay? And there is a big, great fortune regarding with this person and your relationship with him, okay? Or with her. And expectation, you have to expect or pwedeng, you will expect this kind of relationship na mag-move forward, okay? Merong patutunguhan kung ano man tong relasyon nyo to na Pisces, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong change. Sinabi ko kanina, merong relocation. So, pwede merong magta-travel, pwede merong maglilipat ng bahay, pwedeng ikaw pupunta sa lugar ng taong to kasi sinabi ko kanina, medyo malayo kayong distance between the both of you. Pwedeng nasa isang lugar lang kayo, isang country, or pwedeng magkaibang country kayo, magkaibang syudad, magkaibang lugar, okay? So, medyo merong distance sa inyong dalawa, and merong, as I said kanina, travel or something na relocation, okay? Kasi meron siyang parang ano dito, parang sasakyan and naghahakot siya ng gamit, okay? So, pwedeng, kung hindi naman to relocation, pwedeng ito ay traveling towards you or you're traveling with this person and magsasama in the same house, on the same house, okay? So, pwedeng merong magsasama sa isang bubong na, okay? So, take nyo lang po kung saan po mag-resonate. Pwedeng itong taong to is ito yung plano niya. Okay? Kasi meron tayo dito expectation or pwedeng ramdam mo na Pisces. Okay? You have to expect na yung kung ano man yung relasyon mo with this person is merong patutunguhan. Merong, alam mo yun, merong ano eh, merong landas, merong hindi ka mangangapa kasi this person is so alpha, okay, is so kumbaga dominant in a good way, okay, dominant siya, so masculine, okay, pwedeng ikaw ay feminine or may pusong babae na meron kang nagugustuhang masculine energy, and this person, or pwedeng ikaw to Pisces, take nyo lang po, this person, this masculine energy is kumbaga, siya yung parang nagli-lead sa inyong relasyong dalawa, okay? And that's so good na ganun, Pisces. Kasi, kumbaga, yung masculine yung nagli-lead sa relasyon and yung feminine is, yun yung parang nag-aalaga na supportive towards his masculine, okay? So, again, wala po tayong gender specific. Take nyo lang kung ano po yung mag-resonate sa sitwasyon nyo po, okay? So, this person is so dominant but at the same time so gentle towards you, okay? So mahal ka ng taong to, Pisces, or mahal mo itong taong dinidil mo na kung saan gusto mong merong patutunguhan yung relasyon nyo, okay? And gusto mo siyang alagaan, yun. This person also, ramdam ko yung protection, protective towards you, okay? Or pwedeng ikaw, protective ka sa karelasyon mo, Pisces. Take nilang, again, kung mag-resonate, okay? So, this person is so gentle, a leader, okay? So matured. So, sinabi ko na ba yung gentle na word, okay? And, 7 of Pentacles. Yes, meron siyang pinaplano, meron siyang iniisip. Again, sinabi ko kanina na parang this person is more on intellectual, logic. Mahilig tong mag-isip, malalim iniisip ng taong to. Okay, kumbaga, naiisip na niya kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan. Okay, and she may be planting a seed. What I'm trying to say, Pisces, about that planting a seed is parang meron na siyang ginagawa pero hindi niya pa sinasabi sa'yo, okay? Or pwedeng meron ka ng hint kasi meron tayo ditong expectation, okay? Pero ramdam mo yung plano ng taong to. Meron siyang mga ginagawang bagay, and gusto niya munang maging malinis before niya sasabihin sa'yo, okay? Kasi ramdam ko yung ng taong to, parang leader and at the same time organized, okay? So parang ganun yung personality niya, Pisces. Gusto niya ng maayos, gusto niya ng, alam mo yun, napaka-practical, napaka-logical, napaka-organized ng taong to, okay? Mahilig siya magplano, mahilig siya mag-isip, Pisces, okay? And for sure, obviously, isa ka or ikaw, nakikita ka niya sa future niyong dalawa, okay? Naiisip na niya, plano na niya yung future niyong dalawa, okay? So, this person is, kung ano yung iniisip niya, kung ano yung napaplano, na nagagawa niya niyang plano, alam mo yun, gusto niya organize and planado talaga eh. So, pwedeng you're dealing with this kind of person, Pisces, or pwedeng ganito yung magiging personalidad ng taong makakasama mo in the near future, okay? So, you may be in a relationship with this person right now or makikita mo siya in the nearest future, Pisces. And pwedeng ganun yung ugali niya or yung personality niya, okay? So, this person have a plan, okay? So, hindi ka magtataka, hindi ka kumbaga magkakaroon ng doubt, hindi ka mako-confuse kung saan papunta yung relasyon nyo kasi meron talaga siyang three of wands, Pisces, kitang-kita nyo sa taong nandito, merong parang barko, bangka ba to, okay? And merong isla dito na kung saan dito siya galing and pupunta siya, meron siyang planong pumunta doon na kung saan dito sa kabilang isla, okay? So, there's a traveling, again, there's a planning, sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so pwedeng it's either alam mo na or hindi pa niya sinabi sa'yo, pero this person have a plan, okay? Planado. It's either you're expecting, ramdam mo na kasi 'di ba Pisces is more on malakas yung intuition. So ramdam natin kung meron mang planong taong to or ramdam ng tao mo Pisces kung ano yung pinaplano mo sa kanya. Pwede pong vice versa po. Okay? So wow. It's either merong magta-travel, for sure merong magta-travel sa inyong dalawa. It's either him or you or she or you, Pisces, okay? And before niya sasabihin sa'yo, aayusin, paplantsahin niya muna before niya sasabihin sa'yo, okay? Parang pa-surprise niya sa'yo, Pisces, okay? So, wow, napaka-organized, hindi ka mako-confuse sa kung ano man yung dala ng taong to sa relasyon niyo, Pisces, and the strength. Pwede you're dealing with an Leo, okay? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so you have to trust this person. You have to trust, first of all, God. Okay, na naway maging maayos yung relasyon nyo. Naway mag-succeed ang relasyon nyo together with this person. Okay, just trust. Okay, trust. Have faith. Okay, kasi the strength is parang control your emotion, trust the process. Ganun. Okay, so kumbaga tiwala lang sa taong to or you're dealing with someone, Pisces, na may tiwala sa iyo. Okay, so wow, sobrang sweet naman, sobrang napaka sweet, ang gaan ng energy, okay, and nakakakilig, okay. So merong plano. The devil. Okay, so pwedeng you're dealing also with a Capricorn or this person is obsessed with you, Pisces, or you're obsessed with this person or pareho kayong obsessed sa isa't isa. Okay, kasi the devil is parang obsession. Okay, pwedeng pareho kayong iniisip niyong isa't isa araw-araw, oras-oras, okay? Hindi mo man alam, Pisces, hindi niya man alam na iniisip mo siya oras-oras or this person, iniisip ka niya oras-oras, okay? So, you're always on this person's mind, Pisces, okay? As well as you, okay? Kasi pareho kayong nakatali. So, this card right here, hindi ko ramdam yung bigat eh. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, Pisces, always na parang pag meron ako nararamdaman, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pero itong reading na ito, sobrang gaan, sobrang gentle, okay? And you are obsessed with each other, okay? Obsessed kayong dalawa, aminin nyo man o hindi, okay? Kung single ka man, this person may be so obsessed with you or you're maybe obsessed. Obsessed in a good way, ha? Obsessed in a good way, not in a toxic way. Wag yun, okay? So, you really love with this person or this person really loves you, okay? Yun yung personality niya na parang organized, gentle, but at the same time, masculine. Okay, wala po tayong gender specific. Okay, leader. Okay, matured. Logical, tama ba? More on thinking, mahilig mag-isip, mahilig magplano kung ano yung sinabi niya, gagawin niya. Okay, and at the same time, parang sobra siyang gentle sa'yo, Pisces. Ramdam mo yung understanding, ayun. Napaka-understanding ng taong to. Ramdam mo yung gaan. Tingnan niyo yung mukha nito, Pisces. Although hindi ganito yung specific na mukha ng dinidil yung tao. Pero ramdam mo sa energy ng taong to na napakadami na niyang experience sa buhay, and andun parang nagiging ano na siya, nagiging matured, or this person is so matured and naiintindihan ka niya. Okay? Pero at the same time, meron siyang ituturo sa'yo sa mga bagay-bagay na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. Pero not in a bad way ha. Parang gagabayan ka niya. And at the same time, sobra siyang gentle sa'yo, sobra kanyang mahal, lalo na't meron tayo ditong the lovers. You and this person is a soulmate, Pisces. Soulmate kayong dalawa. Okay? And meron tayo ditong dove. So, you are divinely connected with this person, and sobrang ganda ang magiging outcome or yung relationship ng taong to together with this person, with this great fortune. Okay, so you expect, or this person is expecting some traveling, some relocation, as I said kanina. Okay, although as of now meron pa siyang pinaplano. Okay, there's a planning, and you have to trust kung ano man yung plano ng taong to, kasi inaayos niya pa, ginagawa niya pa ng paraan. Okay, siya na bahala. Ayun, trust. Of course, first of all, trust God. Okay, unang-una yan sa lahat, trust God. And you and this person is so obsessed with each other in a good way. Okay, bottom of the deck is death. Okay, so there's a transformation with this relationship, Pisces, in a good way again. Okay, kasi parang parang there's a level up. Sinabi ko kanina, merong level up na mangyayari together with this person and your relationship, Pisces. Merong parang, kumbaga, merong plano, merong mga bagay-bagay na after this, parang kumbaga, from boyfriend, girlfriend to fiancé, from fiancé to husband and wife, okay, mother, father, parang ganun, okay, so parang next chapter na kayo, okay, after this situation, next chapter na kayo, and kung ano man yung next chapter na yun, pinaplano pa ng taong to for your future, Pisces, okay, so wow, sobrang sweet naman. So, it's either you're dealing na with this person na Pisces, or you're dealing in God's perfect time with this person. Okay? So, yun po ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po, Pisces. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces. And God bless.